In Asia, our predominant business is to help our customers from Australia and New Zealand to do business in Asia, and for our Asian customers to also do business back in Australia and New Zealand. Our expansion in Asia have us in China and in Hong Kong, and one of the needs of the business is to be able to accurately report to our regulators. It is multiple regulators, and we must provide accurate information, and some of it's quite complex, and accuracy is paramount. Also, some of the requests from our regulators are quite time-bound. They want response and reply very quickly. Like many banks, we do have lots of systems and lots of data sources. Each system is specialized for a particular product that we offer to our customers. An important part is to be able to have them all collected together and for them to be reformatted into a standard data dictionary or understanding of that data. It was very time consuming, and it was prone to manual errors, and we can't afford to have manual errors. So there was a lot of rechecking and massaging of the data. Rather than an IT intensive solution, we want to look at a process and a model that allows our business, the end users, to be more self-service and to be able to achieve what they need to do with less of an IT help. Yeah. So we started with a proof of concept with BDA and the iHub solution. The goal of the proof of concept was to be able to replicate some of the reports that were currently produced manually. So to be able to replicate and see how it could be achieved in the iHub and the BDA solution. And we were able to achieve that and meet most of our proof of concept goals. But the main goals were to find a product which were able to handle end-to-end of our needs, meaning it has the ability to be able to store the data, be able to transform it, be able to allow us to analyze it, and then produce a report at the end. But there are also some ad hoc requests. Regulators could ask us to give them certain selected data points at a particular time. A request will typically come in, and we will have to respond to that quite rapidly. So that the solution allows us to do some of that more ad hoc and responsive reporting as well. Not only are we deploying a new solution, what we're doing is also changing our operating model to a more user-driven model, and that includes different responsibility from data stewards being identified and having the responsibility to own and manage that data. Our longer-term plan is to have all our regulatory reporting on this platform, not only Greater China. So this is just step one in our program.